morning, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss a topic called meaning of cost, costing, cost accounting, and cost accountancy. This will helpful for CA, CMA, foundation, and inter student. Before going to class, unsubscribe my channel. You can get your updates of your classes day by day, and click on the bell button also. And we can move to the classes. Meaning of cost, costing, cost accounting, and cost accountancy. Cost. What is a cost? Cost is an expenditure. Now we are going to see the topic called meaning of cost. When we refer the dictionary, we can see the meaning noun and verb. As per the noun, the amount of expenditure. I have said before, sir, what is the cost? Expenditure. The amount of expenditure, actual or notional. Actual or notional, incurred on or attributable to a specified articles, product or activity. This is called a cost. As per the noun, amount of expenditure. See, the expenses what you incur on the product is called the cost. Actual or notional. Or actual is at the time what you are spending. Incurred on or attributable to a specified articles. The product what you spend, specified articles, product or activity. This is called the cost. And one word. And another said as per the verb. I said as per the noun and as per the verb. What they said, to ascertain the cost of specified things or activity. What is the main word is ascertain the cost. You should ascertain the cost of the specified things or activity. Specified, you are specifying the product. In this also specified articles and specified things or activity. This is called the cost. Please make a notes. Costing. What is costing? The techniques and the process of ascertaining the cost. The techniques and the process of ascertaining the cost. The techniques they in management, in organization, they use how to reduce the cost. What is ascertainment? Ascertainment is to find out in which way we have reduced the cost. That is called the costing. And CIMA. What is CIMA? Is a cost management account. CIMA. The CIMA says, what is the CIMA going to say? An organization costing system is an organization. It's a big company or organization costing system is the foundation. Foundation is a base, a foundation of internal financial information system for a manager. For whom it will be helpful? For manager, this costing will be helpful. It provides the information that management needs to plan and control the organization activities and make a decision. What going to be decided? A decision. They decide whether the product going to be controlled or not. A decision about the future. When they reduce the cost of product, whether the product will be run in future or not. That is a plan and control. Take a notes. Now we are going to see about meaning of cost accounting. The process of accounting for a cost. The process, what going to take? The process of accounting for a cost which began, see, going to be start. Begin means going to start. Let's start with the recording of income and expenditure. Day-to-day transaction, you want to record whether the company, when you buy a product, you record recording of income and expenditure. The day of income and day of expenditure, or the basis on which they are calculated and end. Where it's calculated and hence the process it has been over. Recording the income and expenditure. When you form a product, you will day to day you will record what are the expenses and income has been made. Income and expenditure, the base on which they are calculated and end. Going to be end when the product has been comes as a finished product. Ends with the preparation of periodical statements. When the product comes out, what will be there? Whether it's a good product or bad product. 3 months or 1 month, a year, you have to give a periodical statement. A periodical statement and the reports for the ascertaining. The report should be To ascertain. What is the meaning of ascertain? To find out. Ascertain and controlling the cost. When you find out the product, whether it has increased, so you have to control the product. So it's controlling the cost. This is the meaning of cost accounting. Finally, we are moving to meaning of cost accountancy. See, meaning of cost accounts nothing but costing and cost accounting. When you compare this, we will get the cost accountancy. The application of costing and cost accounting. See, application of costing and cost accounting principle. The principle, method, and the techniques of these three. The costing and cost accounting. Principle, method, and techniques to the science, art, and the practice of the cost control and the ascertainment of profitability. What is ascertainment? To find out the profit of the organization. Ascertainment of profitability, it includes the presentation of information derived. What we will find out in the information you derive. Information derived that from the purpose of the managerial decision making. Finally, where it goes, the decision making. This is meaning of cost accountancy. From the costing and cost accounting, the principle and method and techniques, we form a cost accountancy. Finally, there goes for the decision making, managerial decision making. It includes a presentation of information derived that from the purpose of managerial decision making. Cost accountings are used for finally a decision making, whether it's a good or bad. I think that you all understand the costing, meaning of cost, costing, cost accounting, and cost accountancy. If you have any doubts, you can mail me srinarayanacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.